It's a mess. Life under the sea is better than anything they got up there.
The seaweed is always greener in somebody else's lake.
I dream about going up there,
But that is a big mistake. Just look at the world around you, right here on the ocean floor.
Yeah, sure.
Such wonderful things surround you. What more is you looking for? Under the sea, under the sea, darling.